Frequent flyers, flies, la 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 la. Frequent flyers back.
What's up? You checking out the Frequent Flyer. Welcome back to the channel. Smash the like button to show your support. And if you're new to the channel, I'd like to extend a warm welcome as always. And guess what today is, y'all? It's Throwback Thursday. And so I'm back out here at this park again. And I'm out here with another one of my quads to fly. It's a classic. This time we're out here to fly this guy. We're gonna have a look at this. This is the L6039 from LishiToys. And so I brought the F801 out here again to show you guys a side-by-side comparison of it. And so as you can see, the LishiToys is a little smaller. So this one is a little more larger than that, but they have almost identical flight characteristics. This one has a slow yaw as well, but this one is on a different protocol. It's on the YD717 protocol. And so this guy is a nice flyer though. It does have deep pitch to accompany that slow yaw, so it can get around pretty well. You can get it flying fast. It's a really sporty flyer. And I haven't tried double flips with this guy. I was doing double flips with this one here. I think I even pulled off a triple flip, but it did touch the ground. I'm going to see if I can get off some double flips with this one, and maybe even a triple flip. But these guys are really old quads. I really like the form factor. They both are really nice night flyers, but this one, I think the HT was a better night flyer. Was better for my preference. I like the lighting scheme of this one. It's blue in the front and red in the rear. This one is a little different, I think. It's not the traditional red and blue. Let me plug it up and see. I can't really remember. And see if I can look at the lighting. Okay, it's white and green. I knew it was something different, but it does have the white flashlight in the front. So a bit of a weird scheme, but it does work at night. All you need is for the front lights to be a different color from the rear lights, but I just like the blue and the red. But let's get this guy up in the air. Going to be flying it with the jumper, and so let's get it. Okay, so let's see. I think I might have some channels reversed on this thing. I gotta reverse some channels. Let me land it. And that's it. Hopefully that's it. Let's see. Yep. And wow, this one is even slower than the other one. Check it out. Just as bad, if not worse. I guess it makes up for it being so tiny. It's a lot smaller, well, a little smaller. Not by a lot, but it is smaller. Wow, the pitch might be a little deeper too. Check it out. Oh, let's try a flip. Oh man, I don't have flips set up for this one. I'm definitely going to have to set up the flips. Stand by, guys. Okay, I think I set up the flip. Yep. Definitely want to see the flipping characteristics on this guy. See if I can pull off a double flip or whatnot. And this one seems a little harder to fly around the trees with this slower yaw. I can pull it off, but it just seems a little harder to do. Oh, this one seems like it flips a little better though. Yep. funnels definitely aren't better, but it does have a deeper pitch. Oh, and I don't know what happened just now. It just died on me in the air. Mosquitoes are biting me too. Sheesh, the mosquito got me on the arm there. Well, let's see if I can find out what happened here. I have no idea. And the battery door just popped off of it too. Yeah, and this guy just conked out and fell out of the sky. I tried to do a flip with it. Let's plug it back in and see if that helps any. The battery door is off of it now. It looks broken actually. So let's see if I can turn it off and turn it back on and get this guy to bind up again. Strap it over here. Hopefully I can find that battery bay on it. Okay, I was able to rebind it again. I have no idea what just happened. And now the battery door is gone. Let's fly it around though. The pitch is really deep on this one. It dives. Check it out. Oh, sheesh, it's almost vertical. And my transmitter is dying. Maybe that had something to do with it. Maybe my transmitter just went out on me. Let's try a flip. Let's try a double flip. Whoa! It was flying towards the ground, upside down, before it recovered. Oh, it does nice loops though. And my transmitter is hollering at me. The loops are really nice on it. Check it out. Man, but it's slow turning though. The banking turns are really slow, really wide. And my transmitter's yelling at me. Yeah, sometimes it just won't do the flip for me. There we go. Did it that time. Yeah, sometimes it just doesn't do the flip. See if we can get one right in front of us. Moving fast. Nope. It must be flashing or something. It's not letting me do my flips. She just stopped flipping on me. Let's see if she'll do a standstill flip. Okay, I think there's a little method to it. Let's try it again. Okay, yeah, so you have to be holding it for a while. And let me stop before my transmitter dies on me. Let me bring her in. So, Throwback Thursday, the LishiToys L6039, pretty awesome flyer. It conked out on me and dropped one time, and now the battery door is gone. It's out here. It's like finding a needle in a haystack though. So, really not going to waste too much time looking for it. But, thanks for watching.